Hi everyone, it's Mickey back with a quick video to show you how to add a watermark to a document in Microsoft Word. It's a super simple process and I'm about to show it to you. So here I have a document, it's the Declaration of Independence, and I want to put a confidential watermark on all the pages. Why? Because I can. Why not? Let's do it. Let's make it confidential. Let me show you how it's done. First, we're going to click on the Design tab in the ribbon, and you'll see on the right side of the screen a watermark graphic with a drop-down menu. You click that and you can choose how you want your watermark to read. In this case I chose confidential, and you can see it is now on all 5 of these pages. Crystal clear. There it is, confidential. That's your watermark. And now let's say you want to change that to something else. We can do that easily. Just click on the drop down again, go down to custom watermark, and this time I want to change it to, you can see you can do some other stuff. No watermark. You can add graphics to it. In this case I want to change it to, let's go with Tech with Mick, and let's see what happens there. I'm going to hit OK. And as you can see, it has changed the watermark from confidential to Tech with Mick on all 5 pages. Again, you can also go back and change it to a graphic of your choosing. You just pick out what graphic you want from your laptop or device, and it will change it from a watermark into a graphic. As you can see, it's very, very easy. And again, I am doing all of this on Word 2021, but it should also work on Word 365, 2019 Word, 2016 Word, 2013 Word, and again, this is all on Windows. So if you found this video helpful, hit that thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.